shvatila.
Znači da stavim meso.
Pa šta ide prvo, ne znam.
Meso.
Onda stavljaj meso.
I onda dođeš, baciš povrće, tamo makneš oko klop, meso ovdje, malo povrćeš i možeš si nekako ovo ne ide u recept. Dok ovo meso pozlati, zlato će izgledati sjajno.
Softly playing, and late at night I see the two of you softly swaying. I don't understand, darling, what was my sin? Why am I down here below? Your arms are open to him. What did I do? What did I say? What must I pay to get you to talk to me?